Doge broke a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Doge yesterday, we were testing the 0.075 level, and I mentioned the fact that the more times the support level is tested, the higher chances of it breaking. You can see as of right now, we have a very clean confirmation to the downside with multiple rejection candlesticks, as well as the fact that our exponential moving averages are also pushing lower and lower. Now, there are a few things I want to talk about in this video. Number one, of course, was the fact that we did have a beautiful third test retest, but I mentioned this to you guys, the fact that we were in extreme oversold conditions. We could be looking for a bounce formation and then the continuation to the downside. Our overall factor was, of course, this level right here at 0.08. You can see we saw tons of profit taking from the bullish case area, and then the move to the downside after we broke that support level by retesting it as resistance. As of right now, though, Doge, of course, is looking extremely bearish, and now we can start focusing more on our major support levels here at 0.064 as well as the level of 0.05. Now, ideally, before we start looking for those shorting positions, I would like to see a clean break below these lows here at 0.073. So keep a very close eye on how the 4-hour level reacts. If we do see a strong bearish engulfing candle, that will be your opportunity to start looking for that shorting position, possibly even down to the 0.064, because as I've mentioned this to you guys already, on the daily time frames, you can see we saw multiple wicks to that level before we finally saw that move to the upside. This is exactly why I have these levels drawn out, and even if we look at the daily time frames as of right now, looking at the exponential moving averages, you can see we have yet to break above these levels. I mentioned this in the video 2 days ago. The fact that we did see a green candlestick does not mean we're ready for a massive bull run just yet. What we're waiting for, of course, is the fact that once we break above these exponential moving averages, find them as support, and then a continuation, then we can assume that Doge is ready to continue pushing on higher. You can see right over here, we had the same sort of analysis, right? We broke below these exponential moving averages, started to use them as resistance. Once we broke above them, then we had a beautiful play to 0.11, and then the continuation to the downside. These sort of move sets are obviously a lot easier to spot once you get a break above. So this is why I have taught you guys not to look for long positions until we have a clean confirmation. Otherwise, there's absolutely no reason for that continuation, because looking at Doge, we have been in a massive move to the downside from all the way up at 0.15. On the hourly time frames, you can see that Doge pretty much is in the same sort of situation. We are trading below the exponential moving averages, but of course, right now on the chart, things are obviously a lot more volatile. We are seeing multiple wicks to the upside as well as the downside because this range is so choppy. But on the hourly, you can see we did get a very clear confirmation. I mentioned this bar formation playing out almost perfectly, as well as a nice pullback. But you can see even on the hourly, we did retest this resistance level multiple times before we finally got that clean confirmation to the downside. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.